Most people's self-concepts include both positive and negative content, which informs how they develop their potential at work and elsewhere. But how does the content of self-concept, particularly the positive content, change as people receive feedback? By studying data gathered from individuals before and after a positive feedback intervention, researchers identified 3 narrative themes people used to articulate how they added value to their organizations, and also found that many gendered patterns of self-concept diminished after the feedback intervention. Notably, those who were high on the theme of mobilizing emphasized their ability to unite and inspire people, perhaps in pursuit of organizational goals or broader visions. Those who represented the theme of connecting saw themselves as adept at unifying people through empathy or by bridging cultural differences, a less domineering role than that of mobilizers. While those who excelled at the theme of task engaging felt good about achieving goals, solving problems, and overcoming obstacles, such as realigning a company's stock portfolio when one of its stocks crashed. Self-perceptions were also influenced by gender and gender norms. For example, many men initially saw themselves as mobilizers, while many women described themselves as strong connectors. But researchers found that after people engaged in the reflected best self-positive feedback intervention, wherein they received storied feedback from others about their contributions, their individual self-concepts expanded, disrupting their previous held gender stereotypical self-narratives. Wonder why feedback interventions may have helped people develop broader and less stereotypical self-concepts? If so, you may want to read this paper.